In the next hour, I'm going to make 100 original YouTube shorts using AI. I'll first show you the exact ChatGPT prompt that will allow you to make 100 original engaging scripts. I'll then show you an AI tool that will convert those scripts into non-copyright videos you can post anywhere. This will work for any niche, subject matter, or hobby you want to make videos about. Whether you run a business and need marketing content, or you want to educate and entertain an audience, learning how to use AI to generate videos is an extremely useful skill. For this video, I'm going to create 100 YouTube shorts in the self-improvement niche. I'm going to have 5 different content categories with 20 shorts in each. I have productivity, focus, sleep, diet, and weird hacks. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT to get your scripting done. The type of prompt I'm going to use today can be repurposed for any niche or any subject matter. It uses principles from a book called Influence by Robert Cialdini in order to create very engaging content. You want to have a hook at the start of your videos followed up by a delivery of the hook. So you can ask ChatGPT by going down to the prompt button and typing in, generate 20 different 50-word scripts that start with a hook in your topic of choice, and so right now I'm doing productivity, and then follow up that hook with a delivery on whatever the hook was about with a social proof example from some sort of celebrity, a leader in the past or present, or some sort of businessman. These types of celebrity, social proof examples, people really love them, especially in the education field. And so if you have a really good hook, something intriguing about the topic, and you're able to deliver it, people will get really into the content. Go ahead and click generate and you'll see all the scripts that ChatGPT made. Once you have your 20 scripts, or all 100 if you already put in all of your content categories, you can head over to Videogen.io. This is the AI tool we'll use to generate the videos from the script. After you create an account, you'll be brought to this page and you want to go over to generate a video and click on it. You can click a blank template, and then in this generate a script box, you want to paste in one of those scripts you just generated. So you can go back to ChatGPT and grab one of those scripts you just generated, copy it over to Videogen, and paste it into this first screen. You want to make sure you're doing this in this first box after you click blank template and not in the manual script part, because Videogen will be able to remove the hook part, the quotation marks, and the delivery word, and just take in what your script is. Now, before you click generate, you want to just make sure you're on very short for the script length, because we asked ChatGPT to generate it 50 words. This will work really great on YouTube Shorts or any short form platform. Once you click generate script, you'll head over to the next screen where you can edit the script, but it's already pretty good. Like, we use ChatGPT. This is a pretty captivating hook and it talks about the social proof already, so we're all set here. And you can head over and create an AI narration by choosing one of the speakers here. So I really like Winston's voice here, so I'm going to use it for my first one. And you want to go over and click portrait mode on this next screen and make sure the scene pacing is on fast, because on short form content you want it to be a bit more punchy to keep people's attention. Once you have those two selected, you can head over to generate video and see the first product of your video. So now you can edit the video in a couple of different ways. The first thing I like to do is to go over to the captions and make sure that they're centered. So you can click this alignment button on this top bar, have the captions go to the middle, and even increase the size of them. I think this will work really great for shorts, especially since there's no actual speaker here. For faceless channels, you want to keep the captions in the middle. So then you can head over to the music tab, and I think this is more of an inspirational tone, and you can find some sort of song you know. I know that I really like Limitless Dreams, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. You can adjust the volume on this top bar as well, and then you can watch your video again to see how it goes. If you don't like any of the specific clips that Videogen generated for you, you can come over here to this bottom bar and click this little refresh button. This will generate a brand new video for you, and you can go through and choose. If you want to just search up a specific stock video to replace it with, you could just search here after clicking the magnifying glass. In the same area, you can go and upload media if you have any of your own clips you want to use in the videos. I'm going pretty slow for the sake of making sure it's clear and easy to follow along with, but once you get in the groove of this and you know what captions you like, you know what the size of the text is, you can just go through when you're generating all 100 videos and quickly change the settings that you really like. And after you're satisfied with the video, you can go over to the top right right and click download video. Choose the quality you want it to be in. I recommend 1080p for short form platforms, and just click download video. You want to repeat these steps, and you can go back in the video if you want to refresh on any of the information and repeat it until you have 20 videos for your content category. And if you didn't do the script generations earlier for your other categories, you can go back to ChatGPT and replace productivity with any other niche you want to do in that same template. This will generate really engaging scripts for you, and then you can use Videogen to generate all 100 of your videos. Start to post each video one by one on different days and vary your content category. So do productivity day 1, focus day 2, sleep day 3, weird hacks day 4, and so on for whatever content categories you chose for your niche. This is how you automate content creation using AI. Thanks so much for watching the video. I have links down below to ChatGPT and Videogen. Feel free to check them out and also watch this next video.